What's up, party people? Welcome back to this week's video. And today it's part 2, which I did not think it was going to be there, but it has happened and there's nothing we can do. So part 2 of me trying and attempting to fixing this car to a point where I will be able to drive it a couple of kilometers, a couple of miles. So last week video, if you have not watched it, make sure you watch it. You can see it over here. Go watch that video so that you might understand what this video has. So last week's video, the car had 3 major problems. It did not have fuel. It did not have what? It was fuel, battery, and it did not start. It did not start. So for this week's, this car has, because of its age and let me say user error, this car does not have, number one, if you can see right here, the terminals for the battery are quite done. Number two, I need to adjust the carburetor so that it can keep working. The thermostat cap is not the best. So to adjust or to tweak the carburetor, it needs to be running. So that one we cannot fix until we fix the starting problem. Thanks to a few of you guys, and I want to say thank you for doing this. When I come here to my videos, the comment section, and I come to the video right here and come to the comments, there's a guy who said, I had an issue, that is Kong Kong Revs. What's up, Kong Kong Revs? Big up, my guy. I have an issue with my cruiser not starting, positive terminal overheating, only to check my grounding cable, and it was corroded in the interior. I recorded the video, just editing, and will be uploaded soon. Keep up the good work, my bro. Never give up. Thank you, Kong Kong Revs, and I will be sure to watch your videos. I hope it's a nice video. And into that point, also my earth was a bit cut, and I fixed it and I put it back. So, and the car did not start. But thanks for the opinion. And there's another one here who is Onyugi G Gregory. He says, for the carbon on the spark plugs, actually this is very nice work, Onyugi, because you said, number one, carbon on the spark plug, too much fuel, little air or spark, clean plugs. So to fix it, clean the plugs, try to get best balance on air-fuel ratio. There are 2 knobs to adjust that. That I know, I will do. Thank you, my man. Too much fuel in the carburetor, fuel chamber overflow makes the vehicle to fail to start. I will also do that. Check if there is oil seeping in the combustion plugs. Check the plugs head for oil traces, not small but smudges, small. If it is a little bit wet, the spark, that means too much fuel. If it is a lot, that means that oil is seeping into the combustion chamber. Check the choke. It should be open at least 25 to 35% for air to come in. So these are the very good opinions, which I will make sure to check. So Oyugi Jige Glory, guy, big up my guy. And the last one, which I am really hoping, please God, please let it not be this. When you started the car and continued to rev the engine, the starter was still on. So probably the starter gets messed completely. The issue is not enough power from the battery. Check your wiring to identify hanging issues and loose wire. It can easily cause a fire. This is DK, the urban villager. Thank you very much, DK. I am really hoping. I also thought that I messed with the starter, and all these problems I am going to try and fix in this video. So to adjust the fuel, the car needs to be running, so I can tweak all that. So first of all, I need to fix the starting problem. Number one, I've been told to check the starter if it's okay. Check the wiring, and to do that, I need first of all to remove a few things, and then check them over, see if they're still working. If I need to buy like this, I need another one for sure because it is broken. So I need to remove this and buy. So right now I am going to check, remove what I need to remove, and see where we go from there. So let's do that.
So I went ahead and started removing both the terminals of the battery, that is both the positive and the negative, so that I can go through all the wires. I also removed the earth, which I had already fixed, but I also needed to go through, and as you can see, the terminal was okay. I went ahead to remove the negative and the positive wires, which, guys, I'm very sorry here, the camera, I didn't remember where I had set it, and I didn't need a cameraman. I didn't need a cameraman, but I will work with what I have right now. So I removed the negative cable, and you can see it was okay. It was broken, actually. It was at the end. It was not fully broken, but it was broken. So I went ahead and removed the positive, checked all over the wires, each and every one, so that there is no breakage or anything that might be hindering power from getting to the battery, to the starter, and to the ground and all that. So I continued removing all that, and this is what I found.
So what I can see as the problem is this negative cable, which I'm going to fix. Let's first open this. I don't quite understand what is going on here, but as far as I can see, I think this cable is okay. So I have fixed it. You see now, it is much better. So I am hoping that it has fixed the problem. So I'm going to put all of them back, hoping I will not forget where they were coming from. So positive, we have seen and ascertained that it is okay. This is the positive. Okay, the ground, the earth or the ground wire, this one I fixed. So this one is okay. And the negative I have fixed. So I want to put them back, and then we attempt to start this car.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Bro, probably get picked up like a truck. Went in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is to it, no way around it. Before that we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I made for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, Stack it up till it can't fold, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10 in a row, I just did 10, gotta go, 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 go. Get off your phone, can't sit at a green light. Look how that shine felt like a ring light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no Renner, have the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I bend it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about Bennett. When they too lazy, they talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same. Off of the password, back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stain. Sharing that paper like ripping the page. I'm gonna be the last one to.
I have put back the terminals, the battery. I've strapped it in. It cannot go anywhere. I'm hoping that because I have fixed the earth and the negative and the positive, now everything is going to be okay. So I'm going to go and attempt to start it, and let's see. So it is producing the same noise. So most likely the starter is not okay. And if the starter is not okay, I don't know what I'm going to do. But let's first remove it, and then we will see. So guys, I have already removed the starter. As you can see, it is here. Now I want to test if it is okay. That is why it is here. So I'm connecting the positive still to the starter so that we can test it. And then I put the negative there on the body. And then what remains is simply attaching this to this. So let's see. So it is attempting, but for some reason it is not going well. So either the starter is not okay or we are not getting enough power. So as I could see, it was attempting to start, but not that well. Let's try again to start it. So right now it is not doing anything. So this starter is either faulty or not okay at all. So guys, as you can see, I have basically the same starter. This was the one that was inside the car, the faulty one. This is a brand new second-hand one, and I also want to test it before I put it in the car. So let's test this new one. Yes!
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink.
So now the new starter is connected. The cable is also connected. Everything is okay. You can see nothing can move. So let's attempt to start it. So guys, the starter has fixed the problem. The battery is okay and everything is okay, but the engine does not seem to want to start for some reason, and I'm seeing smoke. So let's find out where it is coming from.
So at this point you might not see, but my heart was racing, because where on God's green earth did smoke start coming out of the carburetor? I cannot believe it. Even out of the intake, the air intake, instead of air going in, smoke is coming out. I may tell you, I was shaking, literally shaking. As you can see here, let me show you, there was smoke from the carburetor. Oh my God. And then the next morning, this is what I woke up to.
Broke off. I put it yesterday and you can see a piece where the the bolt goes through and it's held onto the car, doesn't work. So basically whenever I try starting this car with this one, it doesn't work because it is not fully engaged. So I am trying to take two bad starters and make one.
I know you might be confused because you don't know what I'm doing. Right here, I am trying to take two bad starters, the one that was originally in and the one I brought, this brand new second-hand one. So, let me explain. When I put the starter yesterday, it worked and I thought it was okay. But in the morning, I woke up where I felt that the starter is going round, but it's not engaging. So when I took it out, I found that the cast, the metal part of the new starter had broken. So I had to take the old one apart and the new one apart so that at least I can be able to fix two starters or create one from two bad ones. So this is what I am doing now, and not to talk too much, let me just you enjoy the just enjoy me doing it. So yeah.
Think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to grind upon me all night long. Yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Givy on. But I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone.
So now guys, I have assembled one. So here's what has happened. I have taken this one from the original starter, which this is the base, and you can see it is very burnt. As you can see, very burnt. You see, those are the pieces that were falling down. This is very burnt. This is from the brand new second hand one, but you can see the teeth here are a bit not great, so I used the original one. Now we are going to test it and see if it works. So as you can see, it is cranking. So this one is okay, so we can put it back inside the car. So I put back the car and the starter, and it started working on the car. But unfortunately, I did not record this. The car did not work. So we are going to have to try again next time. But now mechanically the car is okay. I don't know what is wrong. I'm going to try and diagnose it. And guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and see you next week.